judges, in the time of crisis, the enemy isn't only the fire or the flood. The enemy is actually the latency issue inside the dispatching field. It takes an average of 12 minutes to dispatch the right specialized unit because the data is being siloed in spreadsheets, radios, and whiteboards. And so let me introduce you to Sentinel, the first AI powered operating system for autonomous crisis response. Here in the beginning, we can see the incident reporting, and we can see that this is a portal where citizen can access and citizen can make their own report. Usually this is just a text-based data, but Sentinel is listening. And after where they have created the incident report, the dispatcher can see it in his or her information. And in this interface, the dispatcher can run the AI analysis report where it is going to go through all of the different information and give the dispatcher more thorough information of what they need to do. The AI will determine the triage JSON. Basically, it determines the severity, the situation type, and what type of personnel is needed. And then it's going to give us an action plan of overview of what needs to be done, the comp draft, and in the new field of information in today's days and age, everywhere there's many different people from different background. Not everybody speak the same language, and not everybody first language is English. And so in California, the second most spoken language is actually Spanish. And here we can also see that the AI will convert different English to like AI Spanish draft, and after that it's going to give us a site visual, basically an AI generated image of like the site using longitude and altitude plus like the description, and it's going to give the dispatcher a more thorough overview of basically of what the situation might look like at the certain location. And here we can actually see that the information is getting converted and showing to us. We can see that so it's happened at the geolocation of the raw data at the longitude and latitude with the JSON info. So right now we can see that it is a type of natural disaster with a fire, and the summary is that the electric vehicle crash caused a fire, trapping tourists on a porch, and it gives us an action plan plus what the dispatch should be doing. After that, we can see that it also giving us an image of like an EV crash, basically an overview, like an image representative of what might look like at this situation, and the site info, which is all happening right here with the different category and header. The SLA timer will basically mean how urgent this situation might be, and the dispatcher can take a look and also determine, are we on track, or are we like low late, or are we like on a different position than needed. The personal dispatch for like the dispatcher, they can also see the information where here if they click open map, they will see the specific location, which is it happening in the Lombard Street where the fire is happening, so they can really determine where the situation is happening. After that, if you're on a mobile device, they can also send an SMS message toward the different responder. They can receive those message and be dispatched more quickly. In addition to that, the dispatcher also have the ability to run the AI commander agent, where it can pick the most optimal team. Here it's choose the unit Bravo 1, where because unit Bravo 1 is closest to the team and also require the specialized firefighting skills, which is very crucial for this specific location. After that, with all those information in mind, the incident report is also being shown to the responder interface, where here they can see that all the information when it is created, the status it is reported, and what is being dispatched to, and the team. And in the end, the dispatcher can also see different information that is crucial for their success. And with that in mind, they can also use all this information to determine what is best to be used. And with the open map, they can also use it to like locate the nearest situation and also have an overview of what is happening at that location.